Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about a furniture piece that is both practical and visually striking. Minimalist wooden bookshelves with compartments. These shelves do more than just hold books. They define spaces, organize objects, and contribute to the aesthetic of any room. Minimalist design emphasizes clarity, balance, and purposeful structure. And when combined with the warmth of wood, the results are timeless. Minimalist bookshelves excel for a few key reasons. Decluttered look. Clean lines and defined compartments create visual calm. Functional organization. Compartments let you sort books, magazines, or decorative objects neatly. Space efficiency. Vertical and modular designs maximize storage without overwhelming the room. Timeless appeal. Minimalism ages well and pairs with multiple decor styles. The compartmentalized approach allows both practical storage and creative display. Wood is perfect for minimalist bookshelves because it combines warmth with strength. Durable and long-lasting. Hardwood shelves can support heavy books for decades. Natural texture, grain, and tone add depth to otherwise simple lines. Adaptable finishes, light stains, natural oils, or matte paints can reinforce the minimalist aesthetic. Sustainability, reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood keeps your design eco-conscious. The natural qualities of wood complement the clean structure of minimalist design. Compartments aren't just visual, they serve practical purpose. Book sorting, separate by size, genre, or frequency of use. Decor display, small sculptures, plants, or photo frames fit neatly in select compartments. Hidden storage. Some compartments can hold small items or documents without cluttering the room. Flexible arrangement. Modular shelves let you adjust spacing or orientation as your collection grows. Compartmentalization keeps your bookshelf organized, versatile, and elegant. Straight lines, flat surfaces, and unbroken forms emphasize clean aesthetics. Symmetry or intentional asymmetry creates visual interest without clutter. Empty compartments or gaps provide breathing room for items. Uniform materials, finishes, and proportions unify the structure. Minimalist bookshelves are about restraint and thoughtful presentation. Where you place a bookshelf changes the room's function and feel. Living room act as both storage and a subtle room divider. Home office keeps reference books and documents accessible. Bedroom highlights personal collections while maintaining tranquility. Entry or hallway provides a small display area without consuming floor space. Floating or wall-mounted shelves save floor space while maintaining vertical storage. Placement is key to balancing the utility and visual impact. Even minimalist shelves can showcase personality. Monochromatic collections, uniform book colors, emphasize clean lines. Small decorative objects use select pieces sparingly to maintain calm. Plants add small greenery to break linear rigidity and soften the look. Lighting, subtle LED strips or spotlights accentuate the compartments without clutter. The goal is intentional, curated presentation rather than filling every compartment. Minimalist compartment shelves aren't just about looks, they need to function. Ensure wood thickness and joint support books. Adjustable or movable compartments increase longevity and flexibility. Lower compartments for frequent use, upper ones for decorative or seasonal items. Smooth surfaces allow easy dusting and cleaning. Smart functionality ensures a minimalist bookshelf is both beautiful and practical. To keep your wooden bookshelf pristine, avoid excessive moisture to prevent warping. Use furniture wax or light polish to maintain natural sheen. Check structural stability occasionally for loose fittings. Rotate or adjust items periodically to maintain balance and prevent overloading. And there you have it. Minimalist wooden bookshelves with compartments are more than just storage, they are organizational. If this inspired you to rethink your walls or collections, like, comment, and subscribe for more home design inspiration. So until next time, happy decorating.